Every morning, I wake up to a fresh reading passage and a workout plan. AI generated both on a schedule while I slept. I didn't write the prompts that produced them. I didn't run those prompts. I'm not even at my computer when they execute. I'm going to show you how I set this up and the surprising thing that happened when I asked one AI to write prompts for another. I'm George, 30 years programming, currently a Salesforce developer. This is my AI intern. Until last week, this was my routine. Twice a day, I'd open ChatGPT and type the same prompt. Give me a passage to practice articulation, 10 to 15 minutes long. Most evenings, I'd do something similar for workout planning. Type out my constraints, time, equipment, fitness goals, and ask for a routine. Both habits useful, both repetitive, both involved typing the same kind of prompt over and over. Here's the move that started this. I went into the same ChatGPT session that had been generating articulation passages for months, and I typed something a little different. I asked ChatGPT to write a prompt for Claude to create a new skill that would do what ChatGPT had been doing. ChatGPT had context. It knew exactly what I'd been doing, so the prompt it produced wasn't generic. It was specific to my actual practice. I copied that prompt, pasted it into Claude Cowork. 1 minute later, the skill was created. Type slash articulation. There it is. The same practice I've been doing in ChatGPT, now a permanent skill in Claude. The second skill, live workout, I built a little differently. I didn't have a long ChatGPT history of workout planning. I'd done it less often. So instead of relying on context, I gave ChatGPT my requirements upfront. Time available, equipment I have, fitness goals. Then I asked it to write the prompt for the skill. What came back surprised me. ChatGPT didn't just turn my requirements into a prompt. It added things I hadn't asked for. The warm-up section, the cool-down section, and this is the part that stuck with me. It also suggested adding a 14-day rolling history, so the routine stays balanced across days. I don't accidentally do legs 3 days in a row. I hadn't thought to ask for that. That's the part of this video I want you to hear. AI doesn't just execute your instructions. When you ask it to write the instructions, it can add expertise you didn't know to specify. Same process, paste the prompt into Claude Cowork, skill created, slash workout, the balanced routine appears. Now the second half. Skills are useful, but I still had to type the command every morning, so I scheduled them. In Claude Cowork, I asked Claude to set up a schedule. Run slash articulation every morning at 6. Run slash workout at 6:05. Claude set it up. 2 scheduled tasks, one for each skill. The next morning, I opened Cowork. There it was, a new reading passage, a new workout plan. I hadn't typed anything. Here is what I want to leave you with. Most of us think of AI like this. You write a prompt, AI generates output. Repeat tomorrow. There's another version. You ask AI to write the prompts. Then you ask AI to run them on a schedule. Your part of the loop shrinks to almost nothing. That's what changed for me this week. AI doesn't just help with my work. It helps me set up the work that runs without me. If you've got a daily AI routine you're typing manually, articulation practice, journaling prompts, workout planning, meeting prep, anything, try this. Ask one AI to write the prompt. Build the skill. Schedule it. See what you wake up to. If you do it, drop a comment and tell me what you scheduled. I want to know what other people are automating. I'm George. This is my AI intern. Subscribe. New videos as I learn. See you in the next one.